If you're trying to learn how to use Cluely AI, here is the simplest way to get started. Once you open the platform, make sure your account or subscription is activated because some features like project history or advanced tools won't show up otherwise. When you're inside, head to your main dashboard where Cluely usually lists your tasks, notes, or whatever you're working on. Start by creating a new project or prompt, and Cluely will guide you through the setup with suggestions or templates. From there, just type naturally. The AI is built to understand context and refine things as you go. Check the side or top menus for options like exporting, organizing your ideas, or switching modes. These are often tucked into small icons or drop downs. And before you wrap up, review your settings once in a while, like personalization options or sync features that make your workspace smoother. That's the quickest and most natural way to start using Cluely AI.